Number. Which would be easier to remember? A number or a name? It's much easier to remember a name as it has 2 or 3 characters, and names can be connected with the person. When we think of the person, we have a picture of him in our mind. What are your methods of remembering numbers? I will divide numbers into 4-digit units or connect them with some historical events or find the relationship between the digits. Do some numbers in your culture have special meanings? Yes. 1314 means for the rest of one's life. And numbers carry a lot of meanings on the internet, like 8484 means it's not the case. 88 means goodbye. For example, double numbers imply good meanings in China. 66 is translated as everything goes on smoothly. In English, the number 8 is the favorite number for Chinese people because it sounds like pho, which implies treasure in China. Thanks for watching.